immigrant who is concerned about how past arrest might affect your status in the US? If yes, then be with us, because in this video we are going to talk about the Laken Riley Act that has been signed into law in Jan 2025 that brings significant changes to immigration enforcement. Let's explore what this means for you, but before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Now, talking about the Laken Riley Act, this was enacted following the tragic death of Georgia nursing student Laken Riley, who was killed by an undocumented immigrant with a prior criminal record. This legislation aims to tighten immigration enforcement by mandating the detention of certain non-citizens who are charged with specific crimes. Now let's go with some main breakdowns. Number 1. Mandatory detention for specific charges. So the Act requires the Department of Homeland Security, that is DHS, to detain non-citizens who are arrested or charged with crimes such as theft, burglary, larceny, shoplifting, assaulting a police officer, or offences resulting in death or serious bodily injury. This applies even if the individual has not been convicted. Next, expansion of state enforcement powers. States are now authorized to sue the federal government if they believe immigration laws are not being adequately enforced. This provision increases state involvement in immigration matters, traditionally a federal domain. Moving ahead with number 3. Impact on due process. Critics argue that the Act undermines due process by mandating detention without a hearing, potentially violating the 5th and 14th Amendment. Individuals may be detained based solely on charges without the opportunity to contest their detention before a judge.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late-night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMMI Support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, DocketWise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can hustle or you can outsource smart. I chose freedom. I chose IMMI Support.
Number 4. Concerns about racial profiling and resource strain. Advocacy groups express concerns that the Act could lead to racial profiling and overburden immigration detention facilities. The broad scope of offences covered may result in the detention of individuals posing no public safety risk. Number 5. Retroactive application. Legal experts debate whether the Act applies retroactively to arrest made before its enactment. Generally, laws are presumed not to apply retroactively unless explicitly stated. The Laken Riley Act does not contain such language, suggesting it may not affect past arrest. So, what do you have to do right now? Stay informed. Regularly check for updates on immigration laws and policies. Seek legal counsel. If you have prior arrest or charges, then consult with an immigration attorney to understand how the Laken Riley Act may affect your case. Also know your rights. Being aware of your legal rights can help you navigate interactions with law enforcement and immigration authorities. So the Laken Riley Act introduces significant changes to immigration enforcement, particularly concerning individuals with prior arrest. And understanding its provisions and seeking appropriate legal guidance is crucial for affected individuals. So that's all for today's update, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.